Hey guys, we're on the road today. It's a bit cloudy, but hope it will be brighter soon. We're going to a special place now. Yes, it is Ratu Boko. Finally, it's raining guys, but the show must go on. Okay, it's raining, but we're already in Keratoni Ratu Boko gate. While waiting for the rain to stop, let's take some pictures with my brother. And don't forget to get some tickets. Hello everyone, we already arrived at Keratoni Ratu Boko or Ratu Boko Palace. So what are we waiting for? Let's go see them. Ratu Boko is a heritage site that was established in the 9th century. It is located on top of a hill in Bokoharjo village in Klaten, Central Java. Hi guys, today I'm in the middle of ancient site that contains a lot of Javanese legends. This place is called Ratu Boko Palace, or known as Candi Ratu Boko. I had read that this place is actually used to be a palace of Ratu Boko. Ratu in English means king, so it is a palace of Ratu Boko from Medang Kingdom. Unfortunately, today is raining, so sorry guys, but let's just continue. The site is divided into several sections. The function of each section is still unclear, but we can see the debris of the fortress wall and the water channels. It clearly shows us that it's overall more to be a palace than just a single temple. It's getting foggy right now. It's beautiful. Ratu Boko is divided into 6 sections: Gate, Batu Kapur Temple, Pembakaran Temple, Pendopo, Keputren, and a cave. Nearby Pembakaran Temple, there's a Sumur Suci or holy wells. The water is still used for Hindu religious ceremonies. Now we're in a special place. It's called Pembakaran Temple. The name Pembakaran Temple was based on the founding of Athens. Okay guys, unfortunately it's raining has some drops now, so we can continue our walk around. So we're going home guys! Before we go home, let's go to the restaurant. I want to drink teh poci. It's a traditional beverage from Java. Yay! here comes my tea. Let's enjoy the tea and see you on the next video.
Its name, Prambanan Temple, was based on the name of founding place of ulang.
Sorry. Ulang.